Let's paint a rock and hide it. I started by washing the rock I found outside and letting it dry thoroughly. Next, I painted the rock green for spring and St. Patrick's Day. Once the paint dried, I gave it a second coat of green paint. My rock reminds me of a fish, so I gave it some basic lines to help me decide where the head and tail should be. I painted the fish scales using the side of my brush and dark green paint. Then I mixed yellow paint for dimension, highlight, and to give our fish a fin. Now I use my fan brush to paint the fish's tail. I use the tip of my brush handle to dot an eye. I then go over my reference lines with black paint. Finally, I write an encouraging message on the back of the fish, telling the finder to keep or rehide this little fish. Lastly, I date the fish. I like the way the fish turned out. I'm ready to hide it now. Remember, never hide a painted rock in a state or national park. It is unlawful to hide them there because the paint could harm the wild animals that live in such parks. Also, before you hide a painted rock, check if your city or town has an ordinance about hiding rocks. Will someone find this little rock? I sure hope so. We will have to wait and see.